here is the fuel pump. In a short earlier, I had called this a regulator. This is a fuel pump. Pumps the fuel. And it broke right here. So it broke. So I had to go and get the other replacement part of this. This right here. This is a Kawasaki part. And here's the number here. 490400802. Make sure that it's the right thing. Okay, it's gonna go just like that. Okay, so we already have this hose removed. Gonna place this on top. Looks like just a Phillips head screwdriver, and this line here and this line here. I have the fuel turned off at the tank. So let's take this off. It's one of these easy replacements. Okay. And this line here, it's one of those C-clamps right here. Let's squeeze it. And it comes down. Okay. Luckily I did turn that off. This is a C-clamp here. Squeeze it. It comes off. Okay. Got a little fuel in that one. And go ahead and take this off. These, they actually match, so that's great. We're gonna get this back on, same way. Just to get it started. That screw here. Get on, and get that one on right there. Okay. Remember that line that went here? Put that on. I will put this on here also. And then this one here, that's the one that went there. But we have a piece on the inside. Let's get that out. Okay, off camera, I'm gonna dig this out so I can put this back on. I'll be right back. Okay, to dig this out, I screwed that screw in here. So I can pull it out this way. There we go. That's the part that broke. And C-clamp here. Okay, all of those are on. And put the clamps back in place. So this one. Get this under the fuel pump on this one. This one here is coming from the fuel tank. There you have it. Turn the fuel back on from the gas tank. So the line is now open. And we should have our fuel being pumped from the pump now. Thanks for watching. click that like and subscribe button. And I really apologize for calling this a fuel regulator, it's a fuel pump. I was just kind of on the mad at everything moment. And I call this thing some of everything except for the right thing, which is a fuel pump, not a regulator. I even called it a SOB for a second. Have a great day, everybody.